Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys tax size guys. How can we set default tax size in Samsung phone device? Friends, your tax size are different. So friend, how can you set into default size? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we set guys Samsung phone guys default tax sizes. So first of all guys, you will have to turn on guys your Samsung phone setting guys. So we will on guys our phone setting to set get default tag size. After on phone setting as you can see guys your Samsung phone get display setting as tap on display, again scroll it, then click on guys your font and style guys, tap here. And so you can see guys your tag size here guys, we can set it to a default size from here guys. The fourth option guys, this third option, I think guys third option is default, but guys you want to set into a medium and normal size, so you can set from here. As you can see guys your tag size will default with normal size. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to set default tag size in Samsung phone device. So bye guys.